Okay guys, this is a stripped, bleached, pressure washed house. Hence why it looks so dry and odd in a lot of places. But that's what we want. We want to get rid of everything that we can. Look at all the black that was on these are gone now. It looks beautiful. And even the railings, look how nice the railings came out. As you can tell, like with that board right there, we lost a lot of the colorant. Looks like it was kind of waiting. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It's just we took a lot of it off. And if you do it right, you don't have to hit it with a pressure washer really hard or anything. You just want to get close enough to, and use the proper chemicals to take the stuff off. Now some of this out here we're probably going to sand because there's still some of that solid stain, so we'll probably get on some of that, but I figure we got about 90 to 95% of the black off the building, which actually came out pretty good. This side is going to be the tough side, as we already knew, because it's just got its own color. I mean, we soaked those areas with bleach and it didn't do a darn thing. Look at that though. This area was black all the way to about there. So we got rid of all that, and it's going to bleach really, or it's going to stain really nice. So that should be nice. Then we just kind of, a lot of pressure washing, 2 days so far, and now we're going to start masking, and a lot of the bird wires come down. We're trying to figure out the distance with that as well. So the guys are pulling that stuff down as we speak. We got in, we used some of the chemical in here, and we got rid of a lot of those lines. Not every one of them, but a lot of them. So that's pretty good. And then up on the top, those I'll have to show you from a different angle. But those came out really nice as well. That came out super clean through here as well. And none of that black stuff is left. Obviously we're going to be sanding this deck, so we didn't try to strip it to that point, because we're going to sand the whole thing. But a lot of it's still wet, as you can tell. Came out really nice. All the blackness that was in there is all gone. And then all this stuff that was here, got rid of a ton of that as well. Came out really nice. I don't know how much you can see with this camera. So that came out really good. I just don't like these plywood, but no one does. So this is how we caulk things right there. So we've already started that process as well. We've got a positive color match on the green, and so I think my only thing is that since the wood dried out so well for us, that my only thing would be if we should remain with a natural, or if we should go with something just with a little bit of tint, just for the fact that it'll clean up really nice. But natural is what we have purchased, so that's what we're going to run with. Yeah, a lot of bird wire. So we're figuring that thing out today here pretty quick, and we'll know all of that here in a little bit. This is all drying, that's why it has that weird appearance. But it had to be all that black. So we have to get rid of all that stuff. So, it's really coming out good already. We're going to start masking windows, pulling down the rest of the bird wire, masking windows, and we should be up and running with everything else starting hopefully tomorrow. We'll probably start putting some stain on the building and start that whole angle. So hopefully that's good. It's going to be pretty stinky on this place for a while, but that's okay. And more bird wire coming down. So I'm going to give you a call, discuss our options on stain, and then and just kind of send you this video and let you know we are definitely moving and shaking, and we're moving right along, and we should be on schedule, even though yesterday was kind of a tough one. We had a couple issues, mechanical and a couple things. So yeah, we'll talk soon. Bye.